Out of time gates from past to present I state, but still the races try hate as if the masses like pain. That's what the pagans try paint, and now the Romans write fate so that your souls applies change. It's a revolution, folks, cause evolution's joke like a played out hoax which gave us hope to suffocate and choke. Cause when I look in the past, that's where man was more advanced, cause physic and spirit connect, but now spirit and physical clashes too vivid and timid to match. You'd swear it has no place up in flesh. Like this present is a gift wrapped from the malevolence that messes with people's intelligence, a twist of pestilence imaged with rusty halo tips. Hence I wanna go back via spelling text and vocab to summon a vortex to rift back to past tense. Problem: I'm trapped in this past realm full of random scallum. I reckon it's the time dimension with metronome ticking, reversing seconds. Be going in anti-clockwise motion. Notice time's broken. Was sucked in this rhythm, rafting vortex, heading to the land of the present. History making realm. Curiosity stubborn, it fast on uncovering random questions like: would I end up at pre-Genesis if I were to kick this and reverse it? Of its axis was curious like the era of the Roman Vaticans versus the religious Christians. Was a veteran rebel in this Vietnam battle, and one stole plantation of opium that got me higher than the Tower of Babel, and freestyle to shore when slave ship tossed me in the Bermuda Triangle. Now with land, the past would not debate but congregate with an angry state who tells us straight and think not to contemplate it. Infiltrate when natives ate a colonial state of higher rates, so please don't hate, cause this will be jotted down in future. Like when I was the past, now global navigator for Alexandra. Now tell me who's greater, and with wisdom I even taught the first Dalai Lama reincarnation. And if you're still wondering, I made them architect designings for them pyramid creations and gave Timbuktu scriptures for education. I've been surviving. I went through 10 plagues in the first land of civilization, and with Noah's Ark and the flooding shit, I was up in that boat hidden, surviving for seeing shit you'd only imagine. And I've noticed the past be only contradicting this present situation.
What?